Hey, lunchtime update here from Bowling Green. Now that we're a couple days into the trial for Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson, we wanted to share some of our observations, not our opinions, our observations about what we're seeing inside the courtroom.
Because Hayden and I are sitting on opposite sides of the courtroom, so I'm behind the defense and Hayden's been sitting behind the prosecution and near the jury.
That's right. I can see all of the jurors. I can see their faces as they're watching testimony, listening to testimony, and taking a closer look at evidence. One thing that's sticking out is a lot of the interrogations they're seeing. These are very long videos of police interviews. At times, they seem, not as engaged. One moment when I noticed they're a little more engaged is when the defense gets up after to cross-examine a witness. They're seemingly sitting up a little bit and paying a little bit more attention. Just an observation.
I've got a direct line of sight there at the defense table and Brooks Houck, and I can tell you, Brooks Houck is very engaged in what is happening. I see him writing notes on a legal pad, passing that to his attorney, Brian Butler. I see him whispering over to Brian Butler. I see him very engaged with whoever's on the witness stand. Brooks Houck is very dialed in into what is happening in front of the judge.
I'm also sitting on the side of the prosecution, right? So I'm near the Ballard family, and again, a packed courtroom full of supporters for the Ballard family, wearing pink again today. So that's been one consistent thing throughout this trial for sure.
And fewer supporters for Brooks Houck.
Yes.
There are some family members that are here, but not the family members have been part of the prosecution that have been named. His mother and brother, I have not seen them in the courtroom.
Neither have I. Stay with us for more updates here from Bowling Green.